Now we are doing an experiment of glowing of LED using push button. The apparatus are Arduino Uno, breadboard, LED light, two resistors and one push button. Now firstly take an Arduino Uno and then take the breadboard. Now 5 volts of pin of Arduino Uno is connected to the positive terminal of the breadboard, and ground pin of Arduino Uno is connected to the negative terminal of the breadboard. And then place the LED on the breadboard. And now on the side of the anode of the LED, connect the terminal of the resistor. Place it the terminal of the resistor. And then at the cathode terminal of the LED is connected to the negative terminal of the breadboard, and then place the push button as shown in this video. Now take a resistor and place it on the terminal 2A of the push button, and then terminal 1A of the push button is connected to the positive terminal of the breadboard. And then now 13 pin of the Arduino Uno is connected to the first terminal of the resistor, which is connected at the anode of the LED. And then second pin, 2 pin of the Arduino Uno is connected in between the push button and resistor of the terminal 2 of the resistor. Now we need the code part, and the code part is this. For this experiment, pin mode 2 is an input. This is an pin mode 2 is an input, and pin mode 13 is an output. Now old loop, if digital read of 2 is double equal to high, while when using the push button, then the light will be glow, and then digital write of 13 is high, and then or it gives 1000 milliseconds to the delay, or else digital write 13 is low. In this between also 1000 milliseconds is have delay. Now we check the simulation. Start the simulation. Hence proved. Thank you.